Hi guys, Britt Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to switch the bands on your Apple Watch. A lot of people have questions on if it's possible. Yes, it is possible. I'm here to tell you, and I'm going to show you today in this short tutorial video. So right here you have the Apple Watch Series 4, and if you flip it over like so, on the back you have these little buttons. I don't know if the camera can focus well enough, but you have these buttons right here, and in order to switch the bands out, say you want like a different color or something, all you have to do is press them. So I'm gonna press it like so, and you just slide it out. Let's see, my nails, sorry. And that took off the first one, and then let's press the other one right here. Let's press it to take off the second one. You just slide it out. Let's see. I'm having a hard time because I have nails, but just like so. And there you go. It takes it off, and you can switch it out with a shorter one or whatever color you like. All right, guys, hope that helps.